First consistent sound of the day. Second hole dug. Damn it, more aluminum. There it goes. First good turn in a while. Just dug the plug. Nothing yet. Still in the hole. See how consistent that is? How it sounds. Alright, let's see what it is. I think it's over here. Oh, yeah, it is. There it is. Oh, I can see it. Yes. If I'm not mistaken, that is a Civil War buckle. I'm in a spot in the marsh where a lost fort was. It was built on. Man, that's cool. My first real buckle. Hell yeah. Alright, we're gonna keep hunting. Only other thing I found so far is a piece of makeshift lead. Look like more fish weights, but this is real, so we're on to something. Right on. There he goes. Just had a solid 17, 18, 18, 18. It's hard to get out of the hole because of all this marsh grass. Looks like it could be an old ladder. That's pretty deep for over here. This kind of stuff doesn't grow up very much. That's cool. Right on. Might be silver, might be plated, not sure. We'll clean it up and see how old it is. Cool. Pretty sure this is modern, but we'll see. Figured it was worth filming anyway. It's a dime. Ringing up pretty high for a dime. Ooh, I think that's silver. Oh yeah. My first silver. $19.45. Man, that is cool. Out here on that path that leads to the bunker, gold and silver with the Equinox. All right, getting closer to where the fort was. These really pretty trees. Shut up. Got a signal. I think that's a bullet. Definitely a lead. See a ring on it, it's starting to fall apart. I'm gonna be careful with it. Let's clean that up and check it out. Surface fine. That was sitting right there on top. Pretty cool.